kanggo warga.
Halo teman-teman, jumpa lagi di channel saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bagaimana kabarnya teman-teman kali ini? Semoga teman-teman semua sehat selalu, tambah sukses, tambah rezeki, amin. Kali ini saya bersama rekan-rekan saya ini menuju ke Pantai Sigandu ya, daerah Batang yang sekarang lagi ngehits banget. Di daerah situ sekitar Pantai Sigandu biasanya terdapat resto, dan kebetulan saya mau kesana.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, now you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Bangun kopi terus dia bro. Iya dong, nyari kosong kayak gini. Pantes kan kayak nak mining ini kan kosong. Iya, mobilnya tetap punya. Hah? Orang yang sangat ini kan. Kenapa orang tadi kamar kan ini kita berdua lagi tunggu.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Halo guys, dan sekarang hujan mulai turun ya, gerimis mulai ini petik-petik. Dan ini saya sekarang sudah berada di kawasan ya, hampir sampai nih di daerah Pantai Ujungnegoro ya. Ini saya sudah hampir mendekati area Pantai Ujungnegoro. Nanti kalau Pantai Sigandu itu dari Ujungnegoro ke selatan lagi guys. Dan ini hujan sudah mulai agak banter di Kini putih-putih ini. Jadi simak terus video ini sampai selesai guys ya. Pantengin terus ya, nanti banyak keseruan yang akan terjadi lah pokoknya.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive.
Selamat datang di apa ya, Resto Kayu apa kalau nggak salah ini ya. Soalnya hujannya terus banget. Ini juga restonya juga rame, pengunjungnya full guys. Jadi meh nulut ngiup sampai kangenan. apa meneh majabongan tongkrongan gue ngomong wah ketoke tidak memungkinkan ini guys. Wah ini terus banget soalnya udah nih guys, bingung meh medun orang gue payung. Sedangkan tempat duduknya itu penuh semua yang modelnya apa lesehan juga basah semua itu becek guys. Akhirnya kita berencana cabut lagi guys.
They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can
Dan
say
hujan
that. I like to
mulai
play
agak reda
fast, cross
guys.
me and
Dan
there's
ini ada
payback. You better pray that I don't see your
ada
face
resto
at
yang
any place that I
tidak
go. I know
begitu
you hate that. I've been doing
ramai,
fine.
tapi
I'm not wasting
lumayan lah
any more time.
buat ganjel weteng. Soalnya dari tadi belum makan, lapar, pasti ya. Nah ini sekarang saya mau belok mencari tempat yang agak sepi dan enak. Nah ini namanya apa ini? Bopo Biyung kalau nggak salah ini. Oke, kita cari tempat parkir dulu guys, soalnya hujannya mulai agak reda ini. Dan sekarang saya akan masuk ke dalam resto ini guys. Kita lihat tempatnya gimana. Oke, ya lumayan lah tempatnya ini. Ya saung ada apa ya, hotel joglo juga ada di sini. Oke bro, wes. Oke. Nah ini juga ada live musik, cuma kebetulan nggak ada yang nyanyi. Ini kita duduk sini dulu sambil nyantai pesan makanan dulu guys. Ini ada ayunan anak-anak, dewasa juga bisa. Dan ini saya keliling-keliling ada apa di sekitar resto ini, apa resto Bopo Biyung kalau nggak salah ini namanya itu. Ini model saung-saung ya, tempatnya juga enak. Apalagi ya, pokoknya kita nikmati aja liburannya di Pantai Sigandu ini guys. Oke.
My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
Ini hujannya malah tambah terus lagi guys, dan kita tidak bisa kemana-mana ya. Nanti tunggu hujan terang baru kita jalan-jalan di sekitar pantai ini guys. Ini adalah daftar menu makanannya guys, makanan dan minuman. Ini mau apa ini? Kita cek dulu daftar menu makanannya ya. Ada apa aja di sini? Wah ya lumayan komplit sih menunya. Harganya juga relatif standar ya.
They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face.
Sudah siap disantap guys, nasi gorengnya guys. Nasi goreng, menua, tahu, apalagi ya, ada mie, ini ada macam-macam. kelapa muda ini. Seperti ada yang unik guys di sini. Apa? Tahu nggak? Nasi gorengnya ada yang paling unik.
Spesial.
Tempatnya nasi goreng guys. Dari cobek guys. Tanah liat. Tapi emang kelihatannya sedap banget guys. Oke, tak makan dulu guys. Mumpung hujan sudah terang guys. Nggak asik kalau kita nggak jalan-jalan di sekitar pantai ini guys. Ini banyak sekali rombongan anak-anak itu dari pesantren atau sekolahan itu, sekolahan muslim kalau nggak salah ini. Dia bos, sehat bos, itu bosku itu. Dia lagi jalan-jalan refreshing sambil olahraga katanya. Olahraga mata tadi.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards your prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises.
Setelah makan dan tadi kita jalan-jalan, sudah saatnya kita menuju pulang guys. Dan kita lagi bayar dulu di kasir. Dan hujan datang sangat deras sekali guys, bersama dengan angin kencang banget guys. Sumpah, hujan terus kalau anginnya bukan gabut guys. Mungkin cukup sekian dulu guys perjalanan saya dan teman-teman di Pantai Sigandu di Resto Bopo Biyung. Saksikan juga video selanjutnya dari saya. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, and comment biar channel ini tetap berkembang guys. Oke, mungkin sampai di sini dulu perjumpaan. Sampai jumpa di lain waktu, lain kisah, dan tentunya mungkin lebih menarik lagi guys. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.
Meski komplit
They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing.